If you'd like to see how I put together these pretty pink, simple, straight to the point junk socks in less than 15 minutes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video we're going to put together some really cute last minute, in a hurry, in a time crunch slouch socks together. I'm going to start out with these two patches. These are going to be ironed on using an iron. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and line these up where I want them, and I'm going to go ahead and take my iron on the highest setting, and I'm going to iron them on carefully. I just wanted to make sure I had them exactly where I wanted them to be. These are actually going to be a gift. My son went to a Sweet 16 party, and the little girl who turned 16, I actually know her mom, so I wanted to make her a pair of junk socks. I meant to do them the day before, but time got away from me, so I went ahead and did them the same day, shortly before I took him and dropped him off to the party. Okay, so I am also going to be making a couple of the brooches. So I have these large 30mm moon rock stones, and I have these two cute little glitter bears that I made with some UV resin and two planners. And what I'm going to do is take these bar pin backs, and I used a little bit of MaxiCure Bob Smith glue. I like to put my pins vertical because I don't have that dipping, like the charms don't dip forward when I put the bar pins on vertically. You could put them on horizontally, however you feel comfortable, but for me, if I have enough space to do it vertical, it works a lot better for me that way. So I'm using the Bob Smith glue, which is a very quick hold glue. It works wonders. And then just to kind of seal it and make it dry even more instantly, because it fully cures in 3 hours. I didn't have 3 hours, so I put a little bit of UV resin on the back, covered up the Bob Smith glue, and that'll seal it in, and the Bob Smith glue will still be working underneath. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my UV LED lamp and let that cure for about a minute or two. Now I had some of these really cute large 2-inch blingy safety pins. And I'm going to add a couple of these to her socks, one to each sock, because they're very big, they're very pretty and heavy duty. And then I'm just going to start to add the brooch pins that I made. And if you're looking for some really cute brooch pin sets, I do have them available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. These patches I have, these were just some new ones. I was trying a different vendor. I didn't really care for that vendor. I'll stick to the vendor I've been ordering from, but I do have iron-on patches available as well, myroyalradiance.com. So I'm just adding the planner charms that I made. These are called planners. I have planner sets available on my website as well if you're interested. So I'm just adding a couple things. Had I had more time, I would have probably went through with some pearls and glued them directly on, or some rhinestones, but this is what you can do in a crunch and still make something that's like really cute as a gift for someone, or even for yourself. If you wanted to wear some cute socks out, didn't get a chance to like really take your time and make some, you can put together that something quick and cute and fun as well. If you're interested in where to get some good quality socks, I have vendor information that's free of charge. I'll put the link in the video description area if you're interested in the things that I have that I used for this video. I am almost finished. These are like really like beginner friendly socks. So this is something that you can definitely do if you want to just add on the brooch pins and not glue anything on. There's multiple ways to do junk socks. These are really some of the quickest, simplest pair I've ever done. Okay, here is the final finished result of these really quick, straight to the point junk socks. Again, what I did is I just ironed on these iron-on patches. In the past, I usually glue those on. I was just trying something different, but these patches gave me a little tussle trying to get them on. But the patches have a cute little fringe to them. I made the brooch charms with the planners. And then I had these oversized brooch pins. And then I have that cute little bear. I love those bears. Those bears can also be turned into crock charms as well. So this is a cute, simple way. If you like to make some junk socks, if you're thinking about trying it out, if it's your first time, this is a great beginner way to do it. What you can do later on is start to glue on some pieces as well. When it's bigger pieces like that, I think they work better as brooches. A common question that I get is, how do you wash these socks? Something like this, you can just remove the pins and wash them as normal and then just put them back on. Or if you want, you can leave everything on and just kind of do a gentle soak and then air dry them. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope this gave you a great idea to make as a gift for someone else or to make some of these socks for yourself. And then also making your own brooches can be very convenient and more affordable as well. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. They also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or crock charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the Slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more. You can follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe.